Hello everyone. So in the previous video we saw what is Git and we understood the concept of Git. Now let's see how Git is different from other version control systems. So first thing is distributed version control. Git is a distributed version control. Each developer working on a project has a complete copy of entire repository including its history. This decentralization allows developers to work offline and make branching and merging the conflicts. What does that mean? Assume there is one project. There is one project. And on this project, four developers are working. Four developers are working. So let's say this is developer 3, this is developer 2, and this is developer 1. So Git allows all the developers to have separate copy of the same repository. This same repository. What is the benefit? Developers do get lots of flexibility. Lots of flexibility. How they collaborate then if they have separate copy? There is something known as Git remote. That is the cloud for a Git. Okay, it might be GitHub, it might be GitLab. They push their changes into this cloud. After that, other developers can access their changes and merge those changes in their local Git. In their local Git. So this allows lots of flexibility to developers. And it is like distributed in nature. Each one have its own copy. For an example, some developers made some series of comments, and that led to some bad results. If developers don't push it into the remote, then this mistake will be for that particular developer only. It won't affect other developers' code. Other example, SVN, CVS, many traditional version control systems like SVN and CVS are centralized. Developers interact with a central repository, and the repository holds the complete history. Also, each developers do have the complete history of the repository. You will understand the repository in detail when we will see in next video. We will see what is the repository and what all the things repository holds. Okay. Second point is branching and merging. Git excels in branching and merging capabilities. Creating branches is a lightweight and fast, making it easy for developers to experiment with new features or bug fixes. Merging the branches in Git is often straightforward, and the tool handles conflict effectively. You will understand this part when we will see the branches and how to resolve the merge conflicts. Okay, believe me, in Git, merging the branches and resolving the merge conflicts is much more easier than any other version control. Some other version control systems may have more complex branching model or find merging to be a less intuitive process. Git's, simpl- Git's simplicity and speed in handling branches contributes to its popularity performance. Git is known for its speed and efficiency, even in large projects. Operations such as branching, merging, committing are optimized for performance. Others, some older version control systems may face performance challenges, especially when dealing with the extensive code bases and or large number of developers. Git's performance has contributed to its preference in modern software development. Complete repository copy or snapshot. Git takes a snapshot based approach to version control. Each commit represents a complete snapshot of project at a specific point in time. This design makes it resilient and aids in maintaining the integrity of repository. What does it mean? Assume you have some file. Okay, you made some exchange here and you committed this. You committed this. Now your changes and the entire project has been committed. So at this particular time, assume previously it was without x. Previously it was without x. So at gate on this particular command, at this particular instance of time, you have the complete history and the complete image of this state of repository. It is not like Git is only saving the changes. Git uses the snapshot approach. That means it saves the entire picture at that particular time. After that, assume you made it y. You made it y and you did the commit. Now, with the y, with the y at this particular time, Git make the snapshot. That means Git take the entire picture of the project and save it. Okay. Does it every time recopy the entire thing? Not exactly. It is not like Git is making multiple copies of your project, but it includes all the data that represents your entire project. Okay. So at any particular time, at any particular commit, you can view your entire project. You can view your entire project. This helps us to manage the history. And if you want to retrieve back this comment, you will get the entire picture or entire project at this particular state. That is the state when you are making this X comment. Okay. Other hand, some other version control system uses change set based approach, storing changes made to files over time. Git snapshot approach simplify the operations like branching and merging. Data integrity. Git ensures data integrity through cryptographic hashing. Every change identified as a unique SH1 hash, and any corruption or tampering can easily be detected. While other version control system also prioritize data integrity, Git's hashing mechanism provides a robust and reliable way to verify the integrity of the repository. Sixth and final point is flexibility. Git is highly flexible and can adapt to various workflows. It accommodates different branching strategies and support both centralized and decentralized collaboration. On the other hand, some other version control systems may be more rigid in terms of workflow and branching strategies, making them less adaptable to diverse development scenario. In summary, let's emphasize on decentralization, efficient branching, merging, performance, snapshot-based approach, data integrity mechanism, and flexibility contribute to its distinctiveness among version control systems. These features make Git preferred choice for many developers and teams in software development landscape. I hope you understood how Git differs from other version control systems. And this explanation also explains why Git is so popular and used by many, many industrial professionals. So I hope you understood this lesson. In next video onward, we will see how to create repository and we will understand what is repository, what is Git repository, how it works, and how to create it and how to destroy it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.